Thank you for watching another episode of Stone's Reviews. I'm Rich to help you decide what to love making next. This is the last build of my Christmas in July builds, made by Loz, L-O-Z, L-O-Z Ideas it says. This is the bakery. You can see it is part of a set of builds, 4 different ones. I wonder if it tells us how to build these two guys, because we got that, we got that, we got that, but there's little islands that two of these builds came with, and I wonder if they combine into this guy. I wonder if they have instructions here for that. But anyway, we're going to find out. So, let's get it opened up here so you can see what's on the inside. These kits have been really good. They go together. They are like Lego. They are Lego style, but they are not Lego size bricks. They are Lego mini bricks. I got these from a store called USA Gundam. During this winter season, you can usually find them on Temu, but it was hard for me to find them all on Temu, where this USA Gundam had them all, and for a decent price, they shipped them very nicely to me. They're all intact. They weren't all smashed up like you get a lot of Temu packages these days, unfortunately. So I'll put the link in the description there for USA Gundam, because they were very worthwhile to buy these from. All right, so there's the book. It is a book. A lot of these Loz builds will have poster style formats versus a book, but these do have the book. They are not numbered bags though, so you have to pull everything out and sort it out and then start building, which I don't mind too much, but it can be a little bit challenging, that's for sure. Okay, I'm just going to look at the book here real quick. I just want to see if they show how to build the island. They do give you a list of all the bricks in the back, which is very handy. Alright, so there's this thing, and we got the fountain. I don't see any extra instructions in there on how to do anything like that. Let's pull the whole thing out, make sure I'm not missing something. Let's see if we got some decals. I don't think so. Here's all the bricks. There's no extra instructions or anything, so interesting to see how this is built. I don't know if I'm not much of a Lego master. I don't know if I can figure that out myself here, but I may look into it to see if I can tackle it. Might be kind of a fun challenge. Okay. Oh, here we go. This plus that equals that, somehow. Okay. Tips for the combination of the pool. Oh, scan the QR code for downloading the official app or search in the App Store. So maybe there's something you can look online to figure out how to build that thing. That would be cool. Okay, well, I'll get this built for you real quick and give it a good review, of course. Okay, we got it all done. Let's turn on the turntable there so you can see all the way around. It was another fun build. I really like these Loz builds. It only had really 2 problems with it. One was the brick color in real life and the brick color in the book was a little bit off sometimes, enough that it was kind of hard to find apart because you're looking for a totally different color, really. The other problem, there was one brick that was supposed to look like bricks, had a brick-like pattern on it, and unfortunately it was missing the brick-like pattern as far as I could tell. So those were the only 2 real problems. The roof, as roofs tend to be, was a little challenging, but certainly not unbearable. I think that a new builder could build this with they probably would have a little frustration when it came to the roof, but I think they'd still get it done. You can see inside there, when it comes around, I'll pause it here, but on the front, it's got this nice awning. We got the little sign there. We got a little croissant on the roof. And let's give it a stop here. Okay, so yeah, we've got, let's see here. We got this nice bunch of little cakes inside the thing there. We got some also in a little turntable thing there. There's actually 2 layers of them. A little hard to see, but there they are. Up top here, we've got a little mixer. Apparently he does a lot of his baking and stuff on the top floor, where it's going to be the hottest, but whatever. We got this nice little oven there, maybe what I'm sure what that's supposed to be. And down here, we got a little 2 cakes there with cherries on top, and a little something under the glass there. And we've got this little door opens over here. And of course, there's one below there too that also opens. Well, it does, but I can't grab it. Yeah, around the front again. It has a door there. It does not open. It is definitely a fixed feature. And you can see inside the glass there, the rest of the cakes. And again, the croissant there at the top. It's got a nice bakery sign at the top there. And we got some lighting features around there. They don't light up, of course, but give you some night lights there. And then, so this also came with a couple other features. I think the most interesting one is this fountain. It was fun to build. I really like building that fountain. It really looks very good. It's very pretty. And we also came with a couple peoples. So we got a little kid size. And then we got a chef. And I'll show you what the chef comes with too here in a second. If I can get him to stand up here. Ah, there we go. Alright. Yeah, so with the chef, we also have... It's got his own little kiosk. And we'll show here. We'll just go ahead and stop the table again. Oops, sorry, chef. And so we've got some cooking appliances on the inside there. It does come with a little hot dog and some, appliances to cut with, or cutlery. And you can put them on the Barbies there. A little tricky to do when if they're going to be moving around, they're just going to fall off. And we got the nice little sign there. Yeah, so I'm not sure what inspired them to put this as an additional build onto the, they're already having the bakery and its little fountain, but they decided to, so whatever. Yeah, so I had a lot of fun. This is the last of the Christmas in July builds by Laws that we were doing here on the channel. And so, yeah, so this completes all 4 scenes, or all 4 sets now of these guys. And so next thing to do is to put them all together so you guys can see what they look like all together. Okay, so we have finished the Christmas builds, the Christmas in July builds from LOZ or LOLs. We have 4 different kits here. We have the sled shop, which you're looking at right now. The bakery, along with, it had a little kiosk too. The sled shop had a little guy on a sled deal there. We also had the Santa shop here. And last but not least, this was the toy shop. And yeah. Also in the middle here, we've got a fountain, as well as a little skating rink. They were a lot of fun. I enjoy these little LOZ kits. They make a very good small Christmas display. If you want to do something that's brick related and as a Christmas display, these are perfect. They're not going to take up much space. They take about 6 to 8 hours a piece to build. Their price is good. They're really around the range of 20 bucks. And for the amount of fun and I think imagination inspire, I think they're very, very well worth it. LOZ is a great little brick kit. Definitely recommend them. They produce nice builds. They have great instructions, and their bricks fit together very well. Alright. Well, thank you very much for watching Stone's Reviews. I hope this Christmas in July build was as fun for you as it was for me. Please consider subscribing. We need you desperately. And please hit that like button if you found these videos helpful. Thank you.